discussion point topic from the chapter solid state is packing of constituent particles or the sphere in a crystal. The packing of constituent particles in crystal or closed packing in one dimension, two dimension or three dimension of a crystal is the arrangement of constituent particle or sphere having same size, means the constituent particle or the sphere which packing the crystal should be have same size. There is the purpose of arrangement of a sphere or the constituent particle in a crystal is to maintain the minimum volume. When minimum volume obtained, the density will be maximum and maximum density produce maximum stability. When constituent particles are arranged in a crystal to produce minimum volume, then maximum density and it will be maximum stability. Next one, closed packed in a crystal is of following type. Number one, closed packed structure of a crystal in one dimension. Closed packed structure of a crystal in one dimension. In case of one dimension, the constituent particle or sphere are present in a row in such a way that each sphere attached to the two nearest neighboring particles or sphere to produce the coordination number 2, which is be shown by the diagram that each sphere has coordination number 2 attached to the two nearest neighboring atoms in left and right. Next one, this is the one dimension closed packed structure of a crystal. Next one, closed packed structure in two dimension. The closed packed structure in two dimension, the constituent particles or sphere are arranged in two ways. Number one, two dimension square close packing. The square close packing in two dimension, the spheres or the particles arranged in a crystal in a such a way that second row of particles are just above the particle of first row, which is shown by the diagram. We see that the sphere of second row present just above the sphere of first row, and the second row present just above the first row. We see that particles surrounded by the four nearest neighboring atoms, hence the coordination number will be 4 in square close packing in 2 dimension. There is a row and there is also A, hence the arrangement of rows will be A type, A type, because the center atom attached to the four nearest neighboring four atoms, so the coordination number is 4. This is square close packing in 2 dimension. Each row are horizontally and vertically aligned. Just about to each others. Sphere occupied the space 52.4%. That is the square close packing in 2 dimension. Next one, the second one is hexagonal close packed structure in 2 dimension. In this way, the second row is present in the depression of first row, and the sphere of second row present in the depression of first row and can be denoted by the following structure, which is given as, that is the one row, second row, and it may be the arrangement is A, it may be the arrangement is B. Hence the arrangement of sphere or the rows is arrangement in hexagonal close packing 2 dimension is AB arrangement. Number third, the second row not aligned to first row, but third row aligned to first row. The atom or sphere attached to the 6 nearest neighboring atoms, hence the coordination number of hexagonal close packing in 2 dimension will be 6. There is triangular present between 3 sphere is roughly triangular void, which is shown by the white triangular. That is the hexagonal structure. We show the ABAB arrangement in 2 dimension. The sphere occupied the space in hexagonal close packing in 2 dimension is 60.4%. The second row and the sphere of second row present in the depression of first row. The arrangement is ABAB arrangement and coordination number is 6, and the sphere occupied the space 60.4%. The next one, close packing of constituent particle in 3 dimension. We know that all real structure are in 3 dimension, and 3D arrangement obtained by the stacking of two D layers or the arrangement. These are number 1, 3D close packing from 2 dimension square close packing, square close packing. In this way, the arrangement of constituent particle or sphere same like square close packing in two dimension. But second one, the more layers is obtained, there is more layer in 3D close packing obtained from 2D square close packing, which is shown by the diagram. There is also AAA type arrangement and we see that this arrangement in more layers in 3D arrangement produce simple cubic structure and it also primitive cubic unit cell. It has the same arrangement, three-dimensional close packing obtained from two-dimensional square close packing have same AAA type arrangement and forms the simple cubic or primitive cubic unit cell. Next one, the 3D close packing obtained from hexagonal close packing in two dimension. This is the first case when 3D close packing from 2D hexagonal close packing by covering the first layer by second layer. Which is shown by the following representation. When three-dimensional close packing arrangement is obtained from two-dimensional close packing arrangement, there is also, this is A row and this is B row, there is also AB arrangement and there is more layers are obtained. We see that the second row and the sphere of second row present in the depression of first row. Second row present in the depression of first row and there is, you see that there is white space between the six sphere it is known as octahedral void, which is represented by the following teaching aid. A white circle surrounded by the sixth sphere or white void. This void is shown in diagram. This is known as octahedral void, and octahedral void surrounded by the sixth sphere. Next one, the tetrahedral void, which is shown by the representation a void surrounded by the four sphere is known as tetrahedral void. You see that a triangular void of second row present triangular void of second row present above the triangular void of first row, and sphere of second row or second row do not cover triangular void of first row. It is shown by the diagram. From the diagram or representation, we see that these are the triangular voids, tetrahedral voids present in first row. These are the tetrahedral void, and these are the octahedral void. From diagram, it is obtained that number of sphere in 3D close packing obtained from hexagonal close packing, in which second row cover the first row is number of sphere is n, number of octahedral void also n, and number of tetrahedral void will be twice of octahedral void, 2n. This is the 3D close packing obtained from 2D hexagonal close packing structure. Next one, number second, 3D close packed structure obtained from 2D hexagonal close packing structure by covering tetrahedral void of second row by third row or layer. 3D close packing from 2D hexagonal close packing by the covering of tetrahedral void of second row by the third row. It is the represented by the following representation. It forms the AB type arrangement. It forms the AB type arrangement in which the third row aligned with first row, means third layer aligned with the first layer and show AB arrangement. AB type arrangement and produce hexagonal close packing in 3 dimension. The example of this type of 3D close packing arrangement is beryllium, magnesium, zinc, and the elements of second A and second B, mostly elements. The next one is (3D) close packing from two-dimensional hexagonal close packing by covering the octahedral void of second row by third row or layer. Just one, I am repeating. The 3D close packing structure obtained from two-dimensional hexagonal close packing in such a way that the octahedral void of second row or second layer covered by the third layer. This type of arrangement is this type of close packing structure produce the arrangement ABC type of arrangement and produce face centered cubic unit cell, and it can be represented by the following representation diagram or the teaching aids which is shown. These are the face centered cubic unit cell which show ABC type arrangement which is shown FCC or CCP. It has the coordination number 12 and the elements which show such type of arrangement or close packing are coinage elements like aluminium, silver, copper, iron, etc. The elements show the face centered close packing in 3 dimension obtained from 2 dimension hexagonal close packing by covering the octahedral void of second row or layer by the third layer. These are the packing of constituent particles in a crystal in one dimension, two dimension and three dimension, and we will discuss the next topic in further video.